guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have the collection of my dreams. It is the brand new ColourPop Lilac You A Lot collection. This collection launched today when I'm filming this. I get this collection a little bit later, so that's why I didn't get it up before the launch, but nonetheless, we have it here today. I am so excited. I opened Instagram and I think ColourPop posted it like maybe a minute before I opened Instagram, and I saw it and I literally yelled. I was like, oh my god, this is the collection that I have been dying for. So you guys may know that my favorite color is lavender, lilac, whatever. They're all the same color, okay? So I am so excited, and I know a lot of people were saying that this looks really, well, the palette looks really similar to It's My Pleasure, which is actually my favorite palette from ColourPop. So I will insert comparisons of the two, but I still think they're a little different. I'll give you guys some information about the entire collection. It's a full collection. We got lots of products in here, so let's get into it. The first thing we have is Lilac You A Lot palette. And then, you know, the box looks the same, but the packaging is everything, and this is what she looks like once you open her up. This is a 9-pan palette, which are my favorites. Retailing for $12. We have 5 mattes, 4 shimmers. There are no pressed glitters in here, which I'm sure a lot of you guys will be very happy about. So that is retailing for $12, just like all of the other 9-pan palettes. So next we have the Take Me As I Amethyst blush stick duo. It has some existing shades in here, but we have it in a nice fun lilac packaging. These are them right here, and in here we have Pretty Thing and Flying High, and this is retailing for $14. The Doin' Time Glitterly Obsessed mini trio. There are some minis in here. We have Disco Lady, what is this one? Starfire and Keep It Platonic. I'm pretty sure these are already existing shades. I know Disco Lady for sure is, but the other two sound familiar. I will update you guys in the description if they are, but I'm pretty sure they are. And this is retailing for $12. I'm not going to swatch this because I want to give this away, because I'm not going to use these. I personally don't really care for the Glitterly Obsessed, and I would rather give them away to somebody who does want them. Then we have the Budding Romance Just a Tint lip crayon bundle, and in here we also have already existing shades. We have the Strand and Chubby Bunny. That is retailing for $12. So we have the Violet Crush BFF Bundle. This comes with the Purple Prose BFF Mascara, the Crybaby Cream Gel Liner, and the No Shame Cream Gel Liner. I think this might be new because I don't have this one in my collection, I don't think. So I'm assuming this one is new. If it is not, I will leave a little note in the description box down below. This is retailing for $18. The last two products are actually from the sister brand. So we have a Soul Body product and a Fourth Ray Beauty product. So we have the new Acai Face Milk. This actually came in the Rainbow Face Milk collection, but now we have it in the big 1 ounce size. This is the size comparison to the old ones, the ½ ounce ones. So we have a nice big one, and this one is retailing for $14. Lastly, which was probably the products I was most excited for, this is the Soul Body Lilac Shimmering Dry Oil. I love the shimmering dry oil so much. They are so bomb. If you build them up, they are so intense, but this one is so cute. It's little and it's my favorite color. So I have it on my chest. I don't know if you guys can see it right now, but I show it in the tutorial part. It's only $10. This is so cute. Probably like one of my favorite things that was in the collection, but I will get to that in the review later on. That is everything in this collection. I will leave the prices of everything in the description box down below. As always, you guys can use my code KATRINA, which will save you 10% off the ColourPop website. So if you guys want to pick anything up, just enter that code. It does have some exclusions, so I always just say just enter it and see like what it works on. Those who use my code, it seriously means so much to me, so thank you. But yeah, enough of me rambling. If you guys want to see how I got this look using the products in this collection and my little review at the end of the video, then just keep watching. So let's get into it. I'm going to start off first with the Acai Face Milk, and these are the new big ones, so I'm really excited. This one actually came in the Rainbow collection, like in the Rainbow Face Milk set, and it wasn't sold individually till now. So if you guys didn't get that, then you can get it now and in a bigger size, which is super exciting. I'm glad that they made them bigger now, so just put that on. This one smells so good. Let's move on to the palette. I'm so excited. I'm going to start off with the shade Ghosted. I'm just going to put that in my crease as my first transition shade. This color is so pretty. This is like, I can already tell, one of the shades that I'll probably reach for the most just to like throw something on in the crease. I feel like this is a really flattering shade of purple because there is that pink in there. Shade is really pretty. It's so vibrant once you build it up. Next I'm gonna go, I'm gonna take a little bit of Zoned Out, which is this shade right there. And I'm gonna just go over that. Just kind of like mix the shades, I guess, make it a little bit more purpley. If you want to keep it more on the pink side, go with Ghostin'. But if you want to make it a little bit more lavender, then add that shade Zoned Out, and it really pops. The shade actually has a lot of kickback, just letting you guys know. Next, I'm going to go in to the shade Iffy. This shade at the bottom, and we are just going to put this on the outer part of the eye, stamping it on first, and then bringing that a little into the outer part of the crease. I'm just gonna go back with the brush I was using earlier to just blend that out, and I'm gonna take a little bit of Filtered, I guess I should show it this way, Filtered. I'm just going to take a little bit of that, and I'm going to kind of put this right here and just kind of smoke that lash line out. Also bringing that a little bit into the outer corner as well. This is more of a warmer purple. I don't want to put too much of that because that purple is a little bit more on the warm side, and I like the more cooler tone purples right now. For the lid, I'm going to take this center shade called Fluff. And I am going to spray my brush first because it does look like, you know, when the shadows are a little, like, have a lot of, like, fallout. I don't want that all over, so I'm just going to wet it so I prevent that. But this shade looks really pretty. Let's see. I'm just going to apply it with a flat brush. Yes, this is stunning. That's, like, the exact color I was looking for. Bringing that up, kind of meet that purple shade that we put in the outer crease. I'm just going to meet that with the lid shade. Blending that into the outer part of the eye. That shade is so pretty. I love it. I'm going to take that brush that we used earlier to just gonna blend those two together. I'm also gonna take a little bit of Trainwreck, which was the lighter lavender in there. Put that on the inner part right here, just to brighten that area up. I go back with Fluff and just blend those two shades together. For the heck of it, I'm gonna take a little bit of Cloud and just pop that like in the center, just to brighten it up a little bit more. I think that's it for the eyes right now. We will do the lower lash line. Go ahead and do my base and everything, and then we'll come back and use those products. So I'll be right back. I just went ahead and did my foundation and contour, but we're gonna move on to blush and highlight. These are repromotes, but they are in this beautiful lavender packaging, so I'm not mad at it. This is the Pretty Thing blush stick. I'm gonna take my ColourPop F9 brush, my favorite brush for cream blushes. I like to graze the top of it with a little bit of product, and then I just kind of stipple it on. To stipple in circular motions like this. And then for highlight, this one is the Flying High light stick. So I just take this with my finger. This one is such a pretty color, and I just tap that on the tops of my cheekbone. More of a sheer highlight too. It just has like that pop of, it's like a pinky purple. It's really pretty. I just like to go over with whatever blush was left just so it's nice and blended. I'm gonna bake first really quick. Next thing we have is the Violet Crush BFF Bundle, and this has the Purple Prose and Crybaby and No Shame gel liner. I definitely have Crybaby though and Purple Pro, so I'm not going to use these. I thought maybe it was in different packaging, but I have those ones already, so let me grab that really quick. Okay, so I'm just going to take Crybaby and I'm going to put that in my waterline. And then for the lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade Iffy, which was the shade that we used, the cooler tone, darker purple. I'm going to put that right at the lash line. It's going to make the Crybaby liner in the waterline really pop too. Brought that down a little further down too, and I'm going to blend that out with Zoned Out, which was that shade. Add a little bit of Ghostin' too, just because I feel like without it doesn't really match the top up here, so just adding that too. I'm gonna add some top mascara really quick, and then we'll add the purple to the bottom. Purple Pros on the lower lash line. I love this mascara. It's one of my favorites. I feel like that one shows so much. Like, I love that one. It's one of my favorite out of all of the BFF mascaras. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on lashes and finish up the rest of my face, and then we'll come back and do the lip products. Lastly, we have 2 more products. So we have the Just a Tint lip crayon bundle. You guys know I love the Just a Tint. Honestly, I feel like I don't even wear like lipstick or anything anymore. I just solely just wear the Just a Tints pretty much every single day. My favorite, it used to be Cutie Fruity, but now it is what is it called? Cherry Pickin'. That's the one I wear every single day. So in here we have Chubby Bunny and the Strand. If you guys remember from my lip swatches that I did of these, I hated Chubby Bunny. It's just not for me. It's one of those very cool tone pinks. No thank you. Don't like that one, but the Strand is in here and I like the Strand. So let's use this one. I'm going to take a little bit of Brink lip liner and just kind of go around the edges, just to kind of deepen it up a little bit. There we go. That's better. And then lastly, we have the Soul Body Shimmering Dry Oil. I love the shimmering dry oils, and then this one, like, small and tiny and so cute. Let's use this one because I don't use this brush for literally anything. So this is from the Makeup Shack. I'm just going to put this on, let me scoot back a little bit. Here we go. I'll put this on my chest. I tried to do it on the back of my hand first, but that did not work. So these smell so good. I love these. I'm gonna just, they're really runny, so be careful. Oh, I love, they're so good. They're my favorite. I love them so much. This one has like, okay, honestly, I feel like, I don't know if you'll be able to really, actually, yeah, you can. You can definitely see the lavender specks in it, like, compared to the other ones that they have, where the other ones are a little bit more gold, champagne, that kind of thing. So this one, I can definitely, oh, it has purple and gold glitter in it. You guys can see that in the bottle. I'm not going to add too much, actually. I'm going to put a little bit on my collarbones. And you can go like really intense with these, like that's why I love them so much. This on the legs on a nice summery sunny day, so bomb, and they smell so good. Ooh, do you guys see that? Wow. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I am obsessed. I'll give you guys my final thoughts on everything. First of all, I am a little biased because this is my favorite color in the entire world. So automatically I'm drawn to it and see myself using this every single day. I know a lot of people like purple eyeshadow, so I definitely love the palette. It's My Pleasure. I do think it's different enough to where if you wanted this one, I would still pick it up. These are more cool tone purples, whereas It's My Pleasure is a little bit more warmer. I know at first glance they do look really similar, obviously, but they're different at the same time. I feel like It's My Pleasure leans a little bit more on the pinkier side, like where this one is strictly purple. They're all purples in here, are more on the cool tone side, whereas It's My Pleasure, I can do a more like pinky purple look, you know. Definitely still think that it's different enough that if you wanted to pick it up, then do it. I don't think they're exactly the same. There are enough differences in it to where I think you'll be fine with both of them if you already have It's My Pleasure. I love both of them so much. You guys know It's My Pleasure is my favorite palette out of all the ColourPop palettes. That one is my absolute favorite. So this one is no surprise that it's also one of my favorites. I love colors in here so much. It's like the perfect shades of lavender where it's not like too light where it's like, okay, you can't like create a look with it. I absolutely love this. I definitely recommend it. The Take Me As I Am at This blush stick duo. If you guys already have these shades, then you might not need it, but if you're like me, you saw that the components are lavender, I would have bought it immediately, even though I already have the shades. Just if you guys already have the shades, then just keep that in mind. But if you guys do want the like lavender components of them, then I would definitely pick it up. Both of the shades in here are really nice and I love them. Glitterly Obsessed, I did not use these obviously, but if you guys like the Glitterly Obsessed, then definitely pick it up. There are 3 of them in here. I think it is a good price for 3 of the little minis in here. This is probably good around for like Halloween time too as well if you're looking into picking up some glitters. They're just like not one of my favorite products and I don't ever reach for them, so that's my own opinion. Just a Tint duo, if you already have the shades then you definitely don't need this. They're the same packaging as their normal packaging and everything, so the only thing that's different is just like the box. So if you already have them, you definitely don't need this. But if you don't have the shades already, then you might want to pick this up. I personally don't like the Chubby Bunny shade in here, so if it came down to it, I probably wouldn't have picked up the set because I do like the strand, but I will just buy the strand on its own if that was me, you know. Chubby Bunny is one of those cool tone pinks. If you don't know what that one looks like, you guys can go look at my Just a Tint video where I did lip swatches of all of them. It definitely was not my favorite shade. So BFF Bundle, the mascara and the 2 cream gel liners. I love the BFF mascaras, and the cream gel liners are another one of my favorite ColourPop products, so I love the colors in here. Purple Prose is one of my favorite BFF mascaras, and same for Crybaby. Those 2 are my faves, so I would definitely pick this up. I love these. Also, Crybaby is such a good alternative to like a white eyeliner in the waterline. I don't really like to use white eyeliner, so I do opt for Crybaby more so because I do wear a lot of purple and pink eyeshadow, so it works. But love this, definitely would recommend. Face Milk, absolutely recommend. I love the face milks so much, and the acai one smells so good. So happy that they did the 1 ounces now, so definitely would recommend this as well. And then lastly, this, absolutely, the dry shimmering oil, so bomb. I love that it's like a little tiny one. This one's only $10. It's so good. I would recommend everything in the collection. Probably my least favorite thing was the Just a Tint duo, just because of the shade selection in there. But if you guys like those shades, then pick it up. Love this entire collection. It's like the collection of my dreams. Yeah, I definitely love everything in this collection. It's one of my faves. I can't help it because this was a collection that I have been like hoping and dying for. I was like, please come out with a lavender collection. Anyways, I will leave everything, all pricing information, all that good stuff in the description box down below. Let me know if you guys are picking anything up from this collection. Did you guys pick anything up? Are you passing on it? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know in the comments. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you guys did like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.